Ryan here, introducing the all-new 2020 Cadillac CT5. This model is your sport model package. Very sleek, fastback inspired, painted front end accents, grille, LED light signature, beautiful 19-inch wheels with Brembo performance brakes. Sport package will give you clear tail lamp lenses as well as the nice spoiler. This one's an all-wheel drive, dual exhaust, and the all-new notation for the amount of torque, 350 feet, which is your Newton meters. So here you got a quick look at the cargo space in your rear trunk. Little extra storage underneath. No spare tire here. These tires are run flat tires, so no need there. Back seats do fold 60/40 as well. We'll have a quick look at that. Very comfortable, beautiful leather seating, USB port, vents for your rear passengers, cup holders, and the seats just fold easy, just like so. Both sides give you that extra length of space when you need it. One of the sport model features a little bit thicker steering wheel. On the back, magnesium paddle shifters, dual digital driver information screen, and a heads-up display on this vehicle. Coming across to a 10-inch touchscreen. All your radio options. You can either use touch or you can use voice. You've got rotary controllers here you can also use. Awesome driver shift precision shifter for the transmission. Little extra storage, wireless charging for your phone. Heated seats, ventilated seats up front, heated steering wheel. 15-speaker BOSE Performance Series sound system. Absolutely excellent.